Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to disable message requests on the Discord app for PC with the latest update. If you've been getting unwanted requests or simply want a cleaner and more private experience, this quick guide will help you set things up in just a few steps. First, open the Discord app on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture, username, and a small gear icon next to them. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up your settings. Inside the settings menu, you'll notice a lot of different sections on the left side. To get where we need to go, find and click on the option labeled Content and Social. This is where Discord has grouped together tools to manage how you connect with other people on the platform. Once you're in the Content and Social section, scroll down until you see a part called Social Permissions. This area controls the way other users can reach out to you, including those message requests you might not want to receive anymore. Now, all you need to do is look for the setting called Message Requests. By default, it might be turned on, which means people outside of your friends list can send you requests. To stop that, simply switch it off. Just one click will disable it. With message requests disabled, you'll no longer get random requests filling up your inbox. Instead, only the people you already know or have added as friends will be able to send you direct messages. This is a great way to make sure your Discord space stays personal and distraction-free. And there you have it. In just a couple of minutes, you've taken control of your privacy settings and stopped unwanted message requests on the Discord app. If you ever decide you want to re-enable them, you can repeat these same steps and turn the setting back on.